The difference between the lights I have before and the new one I got installed right now, this one has only 2 sides, and the new one I got now has 4 sides. So this one is more stronger. It's gonna be better. It's easy to install. Just you put this one there and you push it and it gets installed by itself. So guys, I already installed them already. It's easy to install those. Just have to push them back to the place and you connect them like that. You have a minimum and positive and negative. You install them and you keep the cap open for keep the fan, make him work. It's like that. It's gonna be strong like that, really strong. Especially I have a wrap on my headlights, so like that you can see better the nights. There you go, the lights, really strong. There we go, is the light.